Hey people, I'm going to do an cold start for y'all. My truck hasn't been running since last month, and this is, hell, I don't know. My months are all screwed up, but this is why we're going to be cold starting. My old 71 Ford truck right here. It's got a 302. Let me grab some light. It's got a 302. Dual carburetor. I don't have a four barrel. I only got a 2 barrel. So let's go try to start her up. It's about like let's see here. Get some pedal action. Alright, that's good enough. Alright. It is about 23 degrees out here. Let's see if the bastard starts. Ready? Come on. Come on! Come on! Come on! I think we're out of gas, because the gas gauge says we're out of gas. So, sorry people, I'll have to go get some gas, and I'll be back. See you, tubers.